Everywhere in the world, Lafarge plasterboard is chosen every day by everyone involved in new construction, in the transformation or improvement of work. This modern building material consists of a plaster core sandwiched between two sheets of heavy-duty paper. Lafarge plasterboard is manufactured using natural and recycled material. In association with the Central Research Laboratory of the Lafarge Group, design and development work on new products is carried out at the Technical Development Centre in Avignon. The only facility of this kind operated by a manufacturing company, this centre includes a laboratory devoted to mechanical tests, an acoustic measurement unit and a state-of-the-art laboratory testing for fire resistance. Lafarge plasterboard is the main element of systems that also include metal studs, jointing and finishing compounds, as well as a comprehensive range of fixing and aluminium profiles for architectural features such as shadow line reveals. Thanks to its natural qualities, it plays an essential role in thermal, acoustic insulation and in fire protection. Lafarge Mega Deco is a one-product solution for superior fire, sound and impact resistance, designed in conjunction with hospital sector specifiers.
One of the benefits we found with the Mega Deco board, that the number of boards, obviously there is a reduction in the need for the boards because of you using a one board system. We found it very flexible, as you can see going through the atrium and in the drum on the John Radcliffe project. The guys who were putting the plasterboard together, it was much easier for them, much flexible for them to actually to use that product. We have a very good technical backup service from Lafarge, right from on-site right the way back into the office. This is down in Bristol. So yeah, we've been very, very impressed with the backup and service that we've received.
At the moment we're waiting for the final white spray to come through here to enable us to close up this area. As you can see, the noggins are in, ready for the electrical drops. Once those are in, the white spray will appear and we'll close up, ready for taping and jointing. We're moving into zone L now, and this area is ready for closing up. As you can see, we've come through to this point and the guys have just got to finish off here.
Mega Deco is a total solution offering fire, sound and impact resistance, all combined in one product designed in conjunction with specifiers for the hospital sector.
From a fixed point, mark out the line of partition. Using suitable fixings, fix the Lafarge U-track to the timber or concrete floor along the setting out line of the partition at 600mm centres. If you're applying the Lafarge U-tracks direct to new concrete, which is not completely dried out, you should use a damp proofing membrane. On uneven floors, a timber sole plate may be required. The C-stud should be cut 5 mm shorter than the floor to ceiling height. Install the C-stud using a spirit level to plumb on the end wall, and using suitable fixings, screw fix at 600 mm centres. Apply 2 beads of Lafarge acoustic sealant to the back of the first stud to ensure improved sound insulation. Repeat the process on the other wall and mark a line. Place the ceiling U-track onto the end wall C-stud and screw fix into position at 600 mm centres. Now insert the intermediate studs at 450 mm centres. Plumb up the studs at the door opening and fix to the floor and ceiling track. Form the door header by using a piece of U-track. The length should be equal to the width of the door frame plus a minimum of 300 mm in order to allow 150 mm at each end to be cut and folded down. Fix the head through the stud into a 38 mm by 38 mm timber insert. Install the plasterboard to one side of the partition. Cut the plasterboard 5 mm to 8 mm shorter than the floor to ceiling height, but firmly against the ceiling, and fix with Lafarge drywall self-tapping screws at 300 mm centres. Ensure all the joints are staggered to optimise performance. Check that all the gaps around the partition are sealed with Lafarge acoustic sealant.